If you've ever cleared your Chrome history and then immediately regretted it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see deleted search history in Google Chrome using a simple Google account activity page. This is especially useful if you want to recover a search, revisit a website, or check what you looked up earlier even after it was removed from the browser history menu. And before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can use any browser, but since we're focusing on Chrome, I'll keep it simple and show you the easiest method. In the address bar, type myactivity.google.com and press enter. This will take you to Google's My Activity page, which stores activity connected to your Google account. If you're not signed in already, log in with the Google account you use in Chrome. This is very important because if you sign in with the wrong account, you may not see the history you're looking for. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your activity feed. At the top of the page, look for the option that says Filter by Date and Product. Go ahead and click that. This filter is the key to narrowing down the results so you can find Chrome activity more easily. A small window will appear with different products and time options. Now, check the box for Chrome. After selecting the right options, click Apply. Once the filter is applied, scroll down through the feed. You'll now see a timestamped timeline of your activity, including search, queries, and pages you visited. The nice part is that this can still appear even if you already cleared the history from Chrome using Ctrl+H or deleted it from the browser itself. That's because Google account activity can keep a separate record of what you did while signed in. Take your time and review the entries carefully. Each item should show when it happened and what was searched or visited, which makes it much easier to track down the exact information you need. If you're trying to find something specific, you can also use the browser's search feature on the page or scroll until you reach the date you want. And just to be clear, this only works if activity saving was enabled on your account. If your Google account paused web and app activity, some of the searches may not appear. But in many cases, this method is the fastest way to recover deleted Chrome search history and page visits. So to quickly recap, open Chrome, go to myactivity.google.com, sign in, filter by Chrome and search, then scroll through the timeline to find your deleted history. It's a simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time when you're trying to recover something important. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.